Hello guys, welcome back to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to move anchor point easily using motion tools. You can download this extension from online and it's free. We can move anchor point by pan behind tool. You can use pan behind tool by pressing Y on your keyboard. This is the default shortcut in After Effects. First, we will select the shape layer, then if we press this middle button, the anchor point will move to the center. You can see that if we want to move the anchor point to the corner side of this shape, we just need to press these buttons. Now, we will create an ellipse and we'll see how this tool works. You can see that we can move anchor point as well to the shape. If we take a polygon, the result is same also. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.